Oh, hello guys. This is my husband cooking now. Akira curry for Indian food. This one is when my husband order potato, but surprisingly the potato is very small. So he don't know that the golden potato here is very small. So my grandchild always bully my husband. Because a potato really very small, very hard to peel off. But I still help him to peel off the potato. So, and at the time of 10 o'clock, when I come, he asked me to, can you get a morongay? Oh my goodness. I say yes, of course lah. That is my husband, so I always say yes, even though very hard. But luckily, I got relatives whom she got morungay plant a lot. The husband is my relative, so I go there, take a morungay, and also the body she gave me to plant. So this is what the Kira curry Indian food for my husband. Then after that, this one I also make not so favorite because before I don't like sayote, which is the word in Bisaya sayote, but when you call this in English is chayote. So this one really I made this for my pulutan. This is a chayote. And then this one, another one here. My friend brother got birthday today. So when I go to my friend also, my other friend bring food like this. This is pato. But pato in English is duck. But when I ask my friend, what is this? Actually, we call this in Philippines patutin. But since this is only 3 duck, so my friend said, not patutin. If you tell patutin, means the duck is 10. But this duck is only 3. So, she called this patu 3. So, she bring this to my friend house also. And then we share. I think this part, this one. So, she told this, don't call it patutin because 3 ducks only kill. So, this one is patu 3. So, another dishes is, when we call it here in Philippines is adobo, a duck. But I never tried to taste it because it's finished. But the duck they do is 7 duck. So my friend also tell me that you cannot call it, I don't know how to call, but she told me that the duck is 7. They cook 7 duck for the, here in Philippines we call it adobo. So she call it patu 7 because they cook duck, 7 duck for the adobo. So she said it is patu 7. So very funny. she come there and bring some of this. Another this one is in papaya we call it achara, but this one my friend sell it. This is called is onion achara. I think so. Huh? In other words is pickle onion. This one I buy it so my friend. And other thing is we have our yogurt. This yogurt my husband ordered this from Bukidnon, which is he also ordered a fresh milk from a cow's milk. Oh, not cow's milk. It is a goat milk. But the time when my husband buy, my family don't like it. Also my daughter, my grandchild didn't like because maybe we don't experience how to drink these goat milks. In Bisaya, siguro, langsa. Mas gonna right words. Langsa. Muinom og fresh milk. But for me and my husband, we used to drink this in Malaysia. That's why I'll tell this is a nice food. And my husband also cooked this chicken rindang. This is her food. Actually, this is very nice, but I will let him to eat this because I am a Filipino. Not say I don't like, I like it, but since he is here for 6 years, so I let him to eat this, and I can still eat with the Philippine food because Philippine people like ginamos, of course, but the ginamos is not here. But I like ginamos actually. Not say my favorite, but still I like to eat ginamos with a plain rice. That's why my husband always asks me, oh, can you survive like this? You eat just ginamos? But yes, I will tell yes. Because I grew up with a poor family. So I can eat ginamos every day actually. But luckily I married him, so I can eat what I like. He can buy for me anything. And I'm very proud I married the Indian. Thank you so much for my husband and the family because I experienced all this. So that's all guys this night. Thank you so much for listening and watching my video. Love you all guys. Bye-bye.